Hello, magandang hapon uli sa inyo mga kababayan ko. So, unique ito, no, itong pag-uusapan natin. Ito yung kay Raffy Tulfo na pinasa sa akin. Kasi ito, Indian, hiniwalay yan matapos pakasalan daw. So, play nga natin to. India.
Sir Arnold, good afternoon to you, sir.
Hi, sir.
You're crying already.
Oh, kawawa naman.
What happened, sir?
No, actually, we fight.
You
We fight like always. Fight happens.
you fight all the time.
No, yeah, like,
And the reason for you guys fighting?
no, like small reasons. If like no time like that, we fight like that.
You don't have time for her?
No, like if she will not have time, I will just say, "Oh, you don't have time for me," like that, like this. I will say, and yeah, like little. Yeah,
You mean she's not
then-
showing affection to you and
No, she is
not giving
showing,
her
but
time to you?
But sometimes she is like moody type.
What
Sometimes
makes her moody?
depends in on her mood.
Maybe
Gusto ko naman yung mga personal na ganito, kailangan idulog pa kay Tulfo, no? At si Tulfo naman, kakagatin to dahil foreigner. Di ba?
you're doing things that she doesn't like. That's why she's not in a good mood talking to you.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
what do you think?
So I will be just angry so that she will hug me like that.
What do you think is the reason why she is not in some good mood? Is it most of the time or once in a while?
Well, sometimes like that.
Sometimes.
Not always, sometimes.
And the reason why she's not in good mood?
Don't know, she says also she's a little moody.
Being moody is normal to all human beings. There are times, even myself, I'm not
Oh,
in a
totoo
good
naman.
mood. Depends on the weather sometimes. But if you are moody most of the time with your partner, there has to be a reason or some reasons why. And do you know that?
No, not listen.
And you don't
happens
ask her?
only.
Communication is very important in any relationship.
Yeah, we are communicating. We are talking from morning till night in video call also. Morning till night, we are talking all day. We had no problem also.
Let's start on how you guys meet.
We met in Tinder, dating app.
How many
Oh, dating
days,
app.
weeks, and months?
Alam
before-
nyo, just sa dating app na yan, lalo na pag foreigner ito yung number one kasi eh. Dapat ikukonsidera mo bago ka pumasok sa relationship na yan, yung culture ng magiging partner mo. Especially foreigner, di ba? Ibang-iba ang culture ng Philippines sa ibang lahi. Di ba? Yun ang dapat unang ikukonsidera mo. Kasi sa pagka nag-usap lang kayo sa app or sa FB, hindi nyo, syempre ang ano nyo lang doon, limited lang yung pagkakakilanlan nyo doon. 'Di ba? Maaaring makilala nyo bawat isa doon pero hindi siya deep enough. Unlike yung pag-personal talaga kayo or kapwa mo Pinoy yung karelasyon mo. 'Di ba?
So,
Kasi ikaw, alam mo na i-expect mo pag Pinoy yung kahit papaano eh. Medyo mabigla ka man sa tunay na ugali. Pero, medyo alam mo kasi kumbaga madali para sa'yo na kilalanin pagkakapwa mo Pinoy.
You guys get to know each other a lot, and then to the point that you got married.
we started relationship on June 2023.
So 2 years in the making before you got married.
Yes.
What makes her agrees to your proposal to marry her? Did you promise her anything, or
Yeah, I promise that I will marry you. I will keep you happy like that.
Aside from that, were there some material things involved?
Kamukha ni Sir Oyabak to eh.
Like gifts every month. We used to cut cake in video call. I used to give gifts, prizes, like different kinds of gifts. Then like what's
Yan eh. Hindi ko kinakampihan yung yung kapwa natin Pinoy. Kadalasan hindi naman lagi, kadalasan pagka ang Pinay, no, masakit man isipin, pag ang Pinay naghanap ng jujuwahin niya na ibang lahi, ito agad ang tinitingnan eh. Then, siguro, na-feel niya na hindi siya jackpot. Pero who knows, yung reason, di ba? Pero feeling ko malaking factor yun eh.
needs. Yeah, like even she was going to college before for a college also. Then son's education also. Like
Kaya ibang-iba talaga yung halimbawa nag-abroad yung Pinay, nakilala niya yung foreigner doon. Mas maganda yun eh. At least magiging deep yung pagkakakilanlan nila sa isa't isa. Unlike yung just sa app lang, yung nakaupo lang sa bahay tapos maghahanap ka ng jujuwahin mo na foreigner.
Next.
Wait a minute. You have 2 wedding rings? Are those wedding rings too? So you got married twice?
No, she threw the ring. I wear it.
Oh, she threw it and then you pick it up and
Ang
then
problema dito,
you
kasal
wore
eh.
it
No?
again.
Ah,
And then the second ring?
this is mine that she put, and this is a ring she put to his hand. She threw
Why does she throw your ring?
because she don't want me anymore. I'm trying to fix many ways, can't fix.
Why are you crying, sir? Why are you being
I
so
want her. I
emotional?
love her so much, sir. My parents don't like. I choose her, and now she's saying I don't want you. We can fix. We have married each other. We can fix whatever problem it is. We can fix each other. That's what
Okay.
I'm saying.
All in the name of love. You'll do everything for her to fix your marriage. Get back together again.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's so sweet of you, sir.
I
like
will.
hearing
I
that.
will. I'm saying, sir. I will never be angry. I'll never shout to her. Please fix this relationship, please.
Maybe you're abusing her physically. You
No,
don't do that?
physically, no. No, never.
Emotionally.
Yeah, little. Yeah, like scolding.
Scolding her. Why would you scold her?
Like not like bad words, like saying, "Oh, no time for me." I'm
Maybe you're
not-
saying bad words.
not bad.
Maybe
bad
you're
words.
cursing in her.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Maybe makes me think why you guys separated. Only the
Please
fact that you're
fix
so
our
sweet.
relationship, sir. Babe, I love you so much now. Please give me last chance. I will keep you happy. I
Mga girls yan, di ba kinikilig dito kay kuya?
will not fight to you. Please. Please give me last chance. Please.
When you got separated, was it you or her who initiated the separation?
She.
It was her.
Hmm.
And what did she say
Just
at the
go.
moment that she
Just go.
turned her back on you?
You're making a threat to the whole family, like that. She said. Yeah.
Why were you scaring her family?
No, I'm not scared. I'm fighting to her. Like voice is little high. So
So when you're fighting you're fighting in front of her family
inside the room.
inside the room, and the
And-
family get to listen to your fights.
Yeah.
Bakit hindi humiwalay?
That's not good.
Yeah. I
So
I
you
regret. I
mag-separate?
regret
You
what I
regret.
did.
You live with her parents.
Yes, sir.
Nakatira doon sa bahay ng
What's
babae.
your job, sir? What do you do?
No, just we married, so just came in a vacation.
Oh, you stay with her, her
Vacation.
parents.
Yes, yes.
Okay, why did you not get an apartment or a condo?
Not
Yeah.
yet planned anything.
Not
Just
okay.
married only.
Well, what do you do again, sir? You're a
Land survey.
Surveyor.
land surveyor in India or here in the Philippines?
In India, in India. We met online, so we came here.
So you came here to marry her,
Yeah.
and then you guys went to.
We didn't
India?
go anywhere because we have little funds, money problem also. So
You
Nako!
also have money problems.
yes, sir. Yes,
Oh, that's probably the reason why you were staying at her parents' house.
yes sir.
Nako. Medyo feeling ko nga dahil na-mention yung money problem, feeling ko medyo natanso si ate dito, Hindi, I'm not saying na mukhang pera si ate. Pero let's face the reality, isa yun sa mga dahilan bakit niya siguro pinatulan to. Wag naman tayo magtanga-tangahan. 'Di ba? Iba kasi ang dating sa atin pag foreigner eh. Lalo na pag pumunta dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Siyempre, ang iisipin mo doon, mahal yung ano, biro mo from India, nilipad ka dito, ibig sabihin may pera. I'm so sorry yun talaga yung nakikita ko eh. Maybe may love naman, 'di ba? May love naman, pero you can't deny the fact na kasama talaga yung ganito sa iniisip nung ano. Now, nung medyo alam niyo na medyo ano din, kapos-kapos din, feeling ko kasama na yung sa ano, nawalan na ng gana.
Yes, we stayed before Manila when marrying.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Evita.
Hello po, Senator.
Palagi raw kayo nag-aaway at kayo raw po ang mismong tumalikod sa kanya. Ngayon, andito siya kung ano raw problema, gusto niya makipag-ayos, mahal na mahal ka raw niya. Ano ba nangyari?
He is getting angry, Senator, even in small reasons.
Okay.
And then, it happens na po 3 times na nagwala po siya sa
Believe din naman ako sa mga Pinay ano. Talagang kaya makipag-communicate in English, no?
in front ng family.
Kaya let's say wag na nating intindihin yung mga grammar. Kahit ako din naman ako perfecto diyan. Importante kasi na iahatid natin yung message na ano dun sa ibang lahi, 'di ba? Pero yung ibang lahi hindi kayang gawin 'yan.
Ko po.
Oh.
Pero to me po and to my son po, it happened na po many times na nagwawala po siya. He is shouting. He is like saying bad words to me even in public
Nako!
places po. He is shouting. Tapos ang throwing things. Even his phone, he throw our marriage license, marriage certificate. Pinunit niya po yun.
And why did he do that?
Even simple reason po na ayun, big deal po sa kanya. Like, he will say, oh, you don't have time to me. Like, you're not taking care of me. You
Hindi,
don't-
baka naman kasi ganito. I'm so sorry kung gusto niyo mapanood to ng wala akong daldal. Kasi reaction video ko to maraming pumupuna Patapusin mo muna! Hindi pwede! Reaction video ko to Pwede niyo naman panoorin to ng buo sa channel ni Rapi Tulpo. Talagang ako yung mapapanood mo dito sa channel na to. Hindi, nakikita ko dito, 'di ba, ang nirereklamo daw nito wala ng time. Siguro nga partially nung nakita niya na hindi ganun ka subconsciously parang tinatamad na rin siya mahalin. 'Di ba? Masama man siguro mag-judge, no? Pero kayo, hindi nyo ba naiisip yon? Kasi siguro kung only ang pera niyan, di ba? Hindi ko naman sinasabi mo kang pera to, pero feeling ko malaking part yon na, syempre, umasa si ate na may aangat na sa kahirapan. Siguro, i-deny niya man yung sa sarili niya, pero yun din sometimes ang reason Or maybe mali din ako, no? Pero yung kakakasal nyo lang na ganyan, biglang nanabang dahil lang sinasabi na wala ka ng oras sa akin. Kasi mafe-feel ng lalaki yun na biglang tatabang dahil ba naging palamunin ako sa bahay nyo.
Say, oh, you don't have time to me. Like, you're not taking care of me. You don't love me. Ganun po. Yung mga bagay na kinagagalit niya. Even, I will just say na, you should take a bath. You should...
You should take. Baka isa yun sa reason. Hindi naman sa pagiging racist, no? Alam naman natin yung yung status nung hygiene ng mga Indiano. Hindi ko nga alam ang sabi nila dahil daw sa kinakain yun na masyadong spicy Pero may mga Pinoy naman na hindi naman ganyan. 'Di ba? Talaga yung lahi nila, culture talaga nila yung parang ganyan na. Ayoko sabihin baka mamaya racist ako
I will just say na you should take a bath, you should brush. Nagagalit na po agad siya.
Napaka
Opo, even mga mababaw na dahilan, even po, I eat, sinasabihan niya po ako na, oh, ang taba mo na, like that po.
Hindi kasi culture kasi ang ang magkaiba sa inyong dalawa. Siguro hindi pagligo ay culture netong isa. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, 'di ba? Pag ibang lahi, dapat i-research mo rin talaga yung culture niyan. Kasi syempre ina-assume mo tayo mga Pilipino araw-araw naliligo. Eh yan. 'Di ba? Ganyan ba ang ginagawa nila sa kanila? Kasama yon, at pag yan ay pinakasalan mo, lahat yan, kahit yung amoy niyan, pinakasalan mo na rin. Asawa mo na rin yon. 'Di ba? Yun ang dapat intindihin. Kaya nga 'di ba sinasabi ang pag-aasawa daw ay hindi parang pagsubo ng mainit na kanin na pag ayaw mo na iluluwa mo na lang. Kaya dapat talaga pinag-iisipan yan eh.
Galit na po siya. Nagagalit po na in front of my family, shouting po, nagwawala. Tapos one time din po na pumupunta po kami sa ibang lugar. We are going to different places, like of course like tinitour ko rin po siya kasi gusto niya ring makita yung mga tourist spot here in Philippines. Yun po, every time nag-aaway din kami noon
Nag-ubos pala ng pera to si kuya sa'yo eh.
kasi may mga bagay na di po kami nagkakasundo, nagwawala na siya po.
most of the time you show your tantrums in front of her parents.
No,
And
only
the
in the
reason
room.
is so petty.
Yeah, I will not never do this again. Promise, I promise.
Time around you're not gonna do.
Umamin. Dahil I will never do it again.
Never shout.
And then
never, I
sometimes
will
she would
nice-
say, "Take a bath." But get angry. And
so that she will not say it again and again. So
the problem is when you say that in front of her parents, that would be a big insult, especially in our culture. You never say bad things with your wife
no, sir.
or
No, sir.
with your partner in front of your partner's
I
or
will never
wife's
say so.
parents.
Parang medyo nagiging kakampi na ni Tulpo, no? Kasi nga naman, partially, no? Kahit naman na medyo negative ang nasasabi ko dito kay ate, bilang kababayan ko din naman to, eh, alam mo yun, yung parang kakayan-kayanin, lalo na dito sa, natin, sa lugar natin, di ba? Parang nakakaano din pagkakapwa mo Pinoy inaagrabyado. Pero sometimes, no, nag-iingat lang ako na nag-iisip ako ng sasabihin ko kasi nag-iingat ako baka mamaya may ma-offend eh. Pero sometimes kasi, ano din kasi ni ate eh, may fault din si ate eh. Ano yung fault ba ni ate? Katulad doon sinabi ko kanina, 'di ba? Hindi siya masyadong tama ba? Hindi ba siya masyadong nag-research sa culture ng mga karelasyon niya? Kasi yan ang unang-unang dapat mo talagang alamin eh, pag ibang lahi eh. Mapa-American man yan, Briton man yan, or lalo na yung Indian, 'di ba? May mga hindi ka magugustuhan talaga diyan sa culture niya, katulad ng mga Americans, 'di ba? Masyadong liberated yung mga 'yon. May mga bagay na pwede kang mabigla sa mga gagawin ng mga Amerikano na hindi usually na ginagawa din sa Pilipinas. Sometimes pa, no? Alam mo, nung nasa retail ako, merong na-offend ako kasi may nakakwentuhan akong Amerikano. Ace Hardware ako nagtatrabaho eh. So, bumibili ng welding machine, 'di ba? Yung malaking tao si kuya. Alam mo yung talagang afam na afam. Mataba na may balbas. Tapos kasama niya yung asawa niya na alam mo yung typical na Pinay na nakaahon sa hirap, 'di ba? So bumibili na welding machine. How much is this? So binili niya, no? 25,000 sir. Okay. Give daw. Tapos generator naman para kailangan. Yung mga gagamitin sa hanap buhay ng tatay niya. Tapos ang hindi ko makakalimutan doon yung sinabi ng Amerikano sa akin tatagalogin ko lang, hindi Tagalog ang sabi, syempre English. Pero natatanda ko sinabi niya, sabi niya, ganyan lang kadali magmahal ng Pinay. Bigyan mo lang ng pera ang pamilya, gagawin na lahat ng gusto mo. Nung time na yun, na-offend talaga ako. Parang sinampal ako nung time na yun. Syempre, customer ko, no? Tatawa na lang ako ng ganun. Pero deep inside of me, napahiya talaga ako nun. Tapos yung isang staff pa ng CBK, yung dicer, ginaganon yung paa ko. Parang na-offend din siya. Sabi ko, hiya mo na, wag mo nang anuhin. Tsaka, nakaka-insulto talaga. Parang, ang baba ng tingin ng mga AFAM sa Pinoy. Naalala ko yung taga Indianapolis daw siya nakakwentuhan ko 'Di ba? Parang hindi Kasi yung asawa niya daw nakatira lang daw sa Boondocks. Yung Boondocks kasi bundok 'yon sa atin. Pero nagkaroon na ng meaning ang Boondocks Nung World War II kasi 'yon. Pag hinahanap yung mga Pinoy kung saan sila nagtatago, ang sinasabi sa bundok hanggang sa na-adapt na ng Amerika yung word na boondocks. So my wife's family live in boondocks. Ayan Boondocks, boondocks. The boondocks, an American expression from Tagalog, which means bundok. Kaya alam ng mga Amerikano yung boondocks. Boondocks. Mukhang napahaba natin. Tuloy na nga natin to. Pero kasi hindi nag-flashback sa akin kasi yung mga yon pagka mga ganitong topic yung pinag-uusapan. Kaya yung mga dyan, yung mga nakapangasawa sa inyo dyan, I'm sure yung iba sa inyo, hindi naman kayo inasawa dahil nabili kayo. Panatiliin nyo na mataas ang nyo kung may asawa kayong foreigner, yung mapa-Japanese man or Americans, Canadian, yung pride natin kahit paano alagaan nyo naman. 'Di ba? Huwag niyong konsintihin na ang tingin ng ibang lahi sa atin ay dahil lang sa pera. Meron nga akong ka-chat, yung nabiktima ng isang ghost hunter. Hindi ko na i-mention kung sino, no? 'Di ba? Ang clue, yung ghost hunter na nakabiktima sa kanya may alagang duwende. Clue. 'Di ba? Pero may asawa na ngayon siyang Americans. Sabi niya sa Amerika daw, ayaw niya wala siyang trabaho kasi ang baba ng tingin sa kanya ng asawa niya. Sinushow niya sa asawa niya na talagang kaya niyang kumita ng pera doon. Kasi baka iniisip ng mga foreigner, pag dinala mo doon, magbubuhay prinsesa na lang. Mahirap daw ang buhay talaga doon. Tapos sa taas pa ng cost of living. Yung pera, malaki naman daw talaga sweldo, pero yung cost of living, mahal. Nagiging mayaman ka lang pag yung pera mo, dinala mo na sa Pilipinas. Anyway, pagpatuloy na nga natin to.
Parents,
Please.
it's a big insult.
Babe, please give me last chance. I will never say like that. I'll be good to you, babe, please. I did
How
everything.
many chances I give na already to you,
This,
but you never change. You promise.
Yun ang masama, maraming chance nang binigay sa'yo Tapos, hindi ka nag-change. 'Di ba? Kung ako, bilang kababayan ni ate, bilang kapwa ko Pilipino, wag na. 'Di ba? Ngayon, ayusin na lang yung kasal nyo na yan. Kung ano yung, nagpakasal kasi agad Diba?
promise this, like last chance
Sabagay, 2 years naman siya niligawan.
you will change, but still you're
I-
doing it. The one who is more affected here is Tuto, like my son.
I love
Like
him so much,
he
babe.
is
May anak na rin tong
me
babae.
also.
shivering na because of nervous.
He loves me also,
He
right?
is the one who is more affected here. Even my mom is taking maintenance na. Like that, every time you will do that, you're giving nervous to
Ako nagpaparinig na kay Tulpo na nagme-maintenance yung nanay.
all of my family, not only me.
Promise, baby, it will not repeat. Promise. If I will write it in paper, I will do everything now. Please give me last chance, babe. Please.
No,
I'll
you
be good to
already
you.
said that before, but you don't change.
Please, you this
Still
la-
same.
this
Every
last
time
chance.
you will get angry, you can't control.
I can
Even in
control.
public people, I beg to you, control your anger, but still you're doing it.
In
And it's
public.
not only just scolding me, but you're saying also bad words.
When did I
Even many
say-
people, you said when that time you first get angry in town, right? You do
When?
middle finger of me and many people because that
Nako.
time it's almost fiesta. Even I didn't do wrong. Like that, you will be angry easily. Then you will get out of the house and telling, oh, I will go back to India. I will go back to India.
That's
So
only-
that time you did na when
That's-
just last time, last hour fight.
That was
Mom is the
only-
one who give you fare to go to Manila because you're insisting to go to airport. Like you will go
you're
back
the one
to
who said
India.
to go out of the house. I don't want you. Go out of the house. You're the one
Because
who
what
said,
you're doing na, like my son is affected na. He's
my
having
son
sick na
also.
because of nervous.
is my son also. Is my son also.
He's not
His
your biological
father,
son.
But what you're
But still,
doing,
is
How
my
you
son.
treat him
Yeah, I treat
like
him
your
my
real
own
son.
son.
Okay.
Ask him like how I treat. You can see the videos and all.
yeah, I didn't say that you're not treating him good. I mean, what you're doing to him, it can cost him like,
Okay.
yeah, that one it will affect to his health.
Okay, give me this last chance. You will know na if I will.
Hindi na. Kung akong tatanungin, hindi na. Diba? Paano ba mag-e-end yung overtime na yata ako eh.
You should change na, like your mom and grandma loves you so much. So you should be honest to them also. Tell them that you were married here in Philippines. You didn't inform. You should inform na so that you're just lying to them also.
Nanay Victoria,
Hindi alam na kasal dito
yeah,
sa Philippines.
would you like to say something to Arnold?
Arnold,
Yes, mom.
you should be good now.
I will be good, mom. I will be good, mom.
No? No.
Natawa yun na.
I don't believe that, Senator, because he always promised. I don't want to talk, Senator.
Okay. Okay, ma'am,
Feelings.
it's okay. I understand. Anyway, thank you for talking to us.
She will.
Only her can lift that blacklisting of you. And you're still hoping that she will
Yeah, she will.
get back to you.
I love you, baby. Take care of yourself.
I love you, baby.
Okay? So short and sweet.
I will wait for you.
Okay. Still hoping.
Yeah, you.
Good.
You should change na for yourself and to your mom, to your grandma. Because like, don't hope na that I will come back to you because
Aray! Don't hope na that I will come back to you. Oh, shit.
I already give many chances to you. I already marry you. I already choose you. But still, yeah, you're doing like that to us.
I have no intention to that like that. I will never shout now.
What? No intention. It's not once happen. It happens many times.
Attorney Garrett,
Yes po, Senator.
Oh.
first of all, we have to check these marriage certificate if this is a legit document.
Yes po.
And then second, so what happens
Sana hindi pa naipasa sa NSO yan.
is once he gets deported, and of course they're married here in the Philippines, and how about if someday Evita would like to marry someone?
Under Philippine law, we the deportation of the husband does not automatically terminate the marriage. Unfortunately, if there is no ground, such as grounds for annulment or grounds that the marriage was void in the first place, then the marriage subsists and the woman cannot marry. However, there is an exception in the family code. If the male somehow marries in India and leaves the female with no option where she cannot remarry, the court can terminate the marriage. So, as of now, our options are limited, given that there's no divorce bill yet. So, it's better now to study the papers and see if there's any defects in the perfection of the marriage, and also if we have
So,
the ground
hindi...
for psychological incapacity under Article
Okay.
36.
When you get to India, find a girl and marry that girl.
No, sir, I will not.
You're not gonna marry anymore.
She's one now. I love.
You love her forever and ever. Okay. But she doesn't want you anymore. But anyway, let's see what happens. But
Let's see, no? Hindi kasi kailangan makita ka rin siguro magbago. Kayong mga tatanungin ko, kayong mga babae, 'di ba? 'Di ba dumarating din sa sukdulan yung pagtitiis nyo, 'di ba? Then mawawala na yung pagmamahal nyo sa lalaki. May chance ba na bumalik 'yun? May chance ba na bumalik 'yun na ayaw nyo na, then biglang nawala sa buhay nyo, no? Then nakita nyo uli. May chance ba na bumalik yun? Diba?
yeah, I'll sponsor your fare going back to India.
Swerte naman.
Okay? Mami Vita, thank you so much for your time.
Senator, thank you po. Thank you po ng marami. Sa lahat po ng staff, thank you po.
Anyway, good luck to you, sir.
Mukha naman mabait si ate.
Go to Odette, and Odette will take care of your problems for you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
For now, thank you, sir, for coming.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Ay! Kaya mga kababayan, ha? Lalo na mga yung mga OFW dyan. Diba? Wag pera ang maging batayan. Kung mahal, nangyayari naman yan, may mga nagiging successful naman na marriage sa foreigner nang hindi pera ang batayan. 'Di ba? Anyway, yan lang po muna pag-uusapan natin yung hapon. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye.